Hey there, WooCommerce enthusiasts. Today in this video, we are going to see how to enable Bitcoin partial payments on your WordPress site using Blockonomics. It's a pretty simple and straightforward process. You don't have to buy any plugin or have any additional add-on to enable this. All you just need is a WordPress site of yours and Blockonomics integrated as a payment method. So let's dive deep in.
Let's assume you have an online store just like this. You have a shop. People can buy products from here. Say, I just want one bike, okay? Let's go and do a checkout. Information is all here. And this is where magic happens, which is this information lets your customer know that you have buy now, pay later enabled, which is pay with Bitcoin in interest installments. Fill out your information to make partial payments powered by Blockonomics. First installment, they pay 50%, and the second installment, they pay 50%. So this is basically the information that you can put out there in your site. Once this is ready, pay with Bitcoin. This is going to take me to this payment page where I have to make the payment in this amount of Bitcoins, right? So I'm going to show you. Do remember that this information is provided assuming the entire cart value, which is 115 USD that we try to check out, right? When the user tries to pay, you can ensure to write an information that says you have to pay only 50%, or otherwise the user will anyway by default make 50% of 115 USD. Okay? Now let's see how to go and implement this functionality on the backend of your WordPress. It's pretty simple. It doesn't take any coding requirement. I'm going to show you how it is done. So the very first thing that you'll have to do is log into your WordPress account the way I have done. You can access your dashboard. Once you access your dashboard, go on to WooCommerce, click there. Click on the settings. Click on the payments tab. You have Blockonomics payment method here. Scroll down and ensure that partial payments is enabled. Now that I've checked in, you can see that the partial payment is enabled. Once that's there, go and make the save changes. Okay? Now come back to your checkout page. Let's go to your checkout page. Let's go to the pages. Go to your checkout page. For example, this is how it looks. So I've added here the information as an image. You can go ahead and add it as your text, but then it's pretty simple. You can just create this image in Canva or any image creation tool and add it over here so that the user gets to know that this is the information that's going to be followed from the step of checkout until the payment is done. So this is there. Once you have this information here, you have to go and click on save. So that's saved. Now what we have to do is we'll go and look at how a test payment would look like. Now for the test payment, let's head back to the WordPress site. Go to shop. Let's add a new item to this one. We'll remove the old one and go to checkout. Here all the information is right given here. Let's go ahead and make 62.5 worth of USD. This is the address you're going to send. So once the payment is done, all the details will be displayed. And when you scroll down, the payment details will describe how much has been paid and the remaining amount. This will give a clear picture on what is to be paid by the customer in the future. And this information is automatically sent to the customer. So to check whether you receive the orders, go to the dashboard again. Click on the WooCommerce. Go to orders. You'll be able to see the recent payment right just the way like here. Scroll down and you'll see in the order notes that the customer has paid only $63. And this is the first installment. And the customer has also been mailed invoice to pay the remaining amount, which is great. And when the due date arrives, if the customer does not make the payment, what you can do is go to order actions, send order details to customer, update. What this will do is the customer receives an email that the amount that has to be paid. Okay? So it's pretty simple and straightforward process. If you have any doubt or any questions, feel free to reach out to Blockonomics. We're always here, and drop in your comments and let us know what you thought. Thank you.
We are a crypto payment software for online stores and work with hundreds of online businesses worldwide.